Day 2 medal count. Japan is at first place with 7 medals, 4 golds. Australia is at number 2nd place with 4 golds and 2 silver, total 6 medals. USA is at 3rd position with 12 medals. France is at the 4th place with 8 medals. Republic of Korea is at 5th place with 6 medals. China is at 6th place with 6 medals. Italy is placed at number 7 with 6 medals. Kazakhstan is placed at number 8 with 3 medals. Belgium is at 9 with 2 medals. Germany is placed at number 10 with 1 gold medal. Hong Kong is at 10th place with 2 medals, 1 gold and 1 bronze. Uzbekistan is placed at number 10. Great Britain is placed at number 13 with 4 medals. Brazil 14 with 3 medals. Canada 15, 2 medals. Fiji 16, 1 medal. Kosovo is placed at number 16 with 1 silver. Mongolia at 16 with 1 silver. Poland 16, 1 silver. Tunisia 16th place, 1 silver medal. Sweden is placed at number 21 with 2 bronze medals. 22 Egypt with 1 bronze medal. Spain 22, 1 bronze. Hungary 22, 1 bronze medal. India is placed at number 22nd with 1 bronze medal. Moldova, Republic of Moldova is placed at 22 with 1 medal. Mexico is at 22 place with 1 bronze medal.